Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video we'll talk about label files. Okay, so usually in my all videos I don't write the label codes. Okay, so let me do it in this video because all the videos are demo purpose, so that's why. So in order to create a label file, you can go to new items here and you can simply go to your label and resources. Here click on label file. I will it as sc label file, okay, and I will add this. Okay, here it is asking me what ID you need. I'm okay with this. It is asking for languages. For example, I will choose one more here, Hindi as well. Oh, I had to select only one, so let me come to. I want to show you multi-language scenario as well. Then I find out here. I will click on this one, okay, and I will go ahead and click next and next. Okay, now here both the label files has been created. One is for English language and one is for Hindi language. Okay, so here what you can do, if you want to create a new label, you can simply say hi label, something like this, and here you can simply add your text. You can say hello. Okay, and similarly here also in Hindi as well, you can come here, you can say okay, let me write something random here. Okay, and now what you will do now, what is the benefit of creating multiple labels here? Okay, I'll show you. All right guys, so now what you can do, if you will copy this label, okay, let's say if you want to use this hello label, let's say your security role, like the security role, the label, I'm going to put this particular code. Let's say the security role name is hello. Understand, hypothetically. Okay, now as soon as I'll put it here, I will do a build and sync, and once I will go to my front end, okay, then I will start seeing this hello here. Okay, so let me make it very much clear. Why do we even require the label codes? Okay, why label codes will be helpful? The first thing is that it helps us for the reusability concept. Okay, so wherever you want to put hello, instead of that you can simply put your code here. Okay, and the second thing is that, for example, if you have used this piece of label at multiple places, you can simply click on find references and it will show list of all those objects wherever you have this particular label. So that is even very helpful for troubleshooting and debugging as well. Okay, so let me open a notepad and write down all the characteristics, or you can say benefit of using the labels. The first thing is that you will stop getting your BP errors. Okay, whenever you will not use the label code or whenever you will hard code your text. Second thing is that it is a concept of reusability. Okay, you don't need to again write the text. You don't need to worry about the spellings and everything. You do it once, then you reuse. Second, the third thing is that it is very much helpful. For example, let's understand a scenario. Okay, let's say your warehouse name, okay, you are having a warehouse. Okay, your warehouse name is ABC. Okay, let's say tomorrow for any reason you want to change your warehouse to something called BCA. Okay, something like this. Okay, so in that case it will be very much difficult for you to go and check at every AOT object, right? Instead of this, what you can do, you can simply find the references of your older label file, so basically your ABC label file, and then you can simply edit your label from here itself. For example, let's say instead of hello, I want to say that the label should be hello world now. Okay, automatically it will change. Okay, so you don't need to worry about all these things. And the most useful, it is very much helpful for your bilingual. Okay, so when you have multiple language into your system. Okay, so I think my build is completed, so let me quickly go to my security form. So now my this label, this security role, its name should be changed, and it should have hello label here. I know the example is vague, but it will be helpful to understand. Now if I'll go to my system admin, and if I'll go here, I should have a role named as hello. Okay, if you click here, okay, so this is the label. Okay, and you can see currently it has been assigned to this user. Okay, so you see exactly the same one. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.